Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking to you about a body lotion that is going to lighten your skin, brighten your skin, fade any dark spots on your body, and it's going to give you a radiant, even skin tone. So if you are that person that is looking for an affordable body lotion that is going to lighten you up without giving you any skin reactions, then this video is for you, right? So yeah, the cream I'm actually talking about is Omega Super Clear. Do you know about it? If you have heard about this cream or used it, let me know right now in the comment section, right? I've been using this particular cream for like 3 years now, and I have other people that I know using it. I have personally sold this cream to my clients when I was selling skin lightening oils, right? I always recommend it to them, and to everybody I have recommended this particular cream to, nobody has given me any negative feedback. Everybody that I've used it, they all loved it. So that's why I'm bringing it to you today, because I know you're going to love it. But first, if you're a dark person, I've not sold it to any dark person before, and I have not recommended it to any dark person before. This particular lotion is for fair skin people, light chocolate people. Unless you are dark and you want to, brighten your skin, like you want to lighten your skin, that's okay. But if you are dark and you don't want anything to lighten you, this cream is not for you. This is for light people, for fair people, or for people that want to lighten up, because this cream is going to lighten you up like a shade or 2 shades lighter than your original complexion, like the complexion you had before you started using it, right? And it doesn't give any skin reactions. I've been using this for years and I haven't had any bad reactions that is out of my control. Okay, so yeah, so this is Omega Super Clear. As I said, it is hydroquinone free and it is 500 ml, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, it has this gold cap. So when you open it like this, and it has this very white, the color of the cream is so white, and it doesn't, this is like the consistency, yeah. So it's, I would say it's in the medium range. It's not so light and it is not so thick, so it is in the middle. It has a medium consistency, and it really penetrates into your skin. It doesn't make you sweat at all, and it gives you an even skin tone. This is a cream I have used bottles upon bottles, and I can tell you that it works and it doesn't give you any negative reactions. That is, if you use it very well, if you do not overuse it, right? Because this is a lightening cream and you should not overuse it. Personally, I always say, if you're using a lightening cream, use it 3 times a week max. Like, you now want to stretch it 4 times a week, that is, you really want to lighten up. But if you have gotten the complexion you want, like as I am now, I use this particular lotion like 2 times a week. I don't use it every day. Okay, other days I just use a normal moisturizing body lotion that doesn't contain anything lightening in it. That's how I balance up my skin. But if you want to use this every day, that's left to you. But personally, I do not use it every day, and it is not even advised to use your lightening products every day, so you don't get, you don't expose your skin to too much stretch, if you get what I mean. So this cream is currently 3,500 naira, and it is very active. And for now, I don't think it has a lot of fake in the market, because yeah, it's not that popular. I've not really met anybody that knows this cream or that has used this cream. Aside people I personally sell it to, or people that ask me about it. So look for it in any cosmetic shop. You might not see it in the first or second one, but you're surely going to find it. Okay, it's actually available. So this cream is produced and marketed by Ano Chemical Cosmetics Industries Limited. The address is Badagry Expressway, Morobo. Yeah, so when you want to buy it, look out for these details. And they said under tech assistance from Organica Limited, Athens, Greece. So this is everything on the bottle. It says hydroquinone free with multi-fruit extract and sun protection. But one thing I will say about this cream is, most times, like when you use it, right, and you go to the sun, you are liable to get sun tanning. Yeah, sun tanning is when you go out, like as I'm wearing a polo like this, then when I go out maybe I spend so much time in the sun, by the time I come back this place is darker than my inner body, right? You're going to have a tan on your skin because it contains lactic acid, which is not a bad thing, but the thing is that you might notice something like that, okay? But do not worry, because after 1 or 2 days after applying the cream, your skin is going to come back to normal. So yeah, that's all about it. It doesn't make you sweat. As you can see, I actually applied it and you can see that my skin is just moisturized. It leaves your skin moisturized and it does not make you sweat. I just applied it on top of the one I've already applied before, and my skin is dry, and not like the weather is, I'm not sitting under AC. Okay, so yeah, that's all I have to say about this particular lotion. If you have more questions about it, let me know in the comment section, and if you have used it before, let me know how it is in your skin. And yeah, any other thing you have to say about the body lotion, I am honestly waiting to hear from you. So thank you for watching today's own. Remember to always like my videos. Have you liked this particular one? Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you have not, share this video to anyone who you feel is looking for a good cream to use on her skin or on his skin. Yeah, so always remember to smile, because it's never out of fashion. I'll see you on our next one. Remain blessed.